Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open the video which you want to download and then type on the share button. Now click on copy link. After that, open Google Chrome and search here TikTok video without watermark downloader. After that, tap on the first link. Now paste the link of the TikTok video here. After that, click on download. After that, tap again, download without watermark. So here you can see that our video downloading has started without watermark. Now, here you can see that there is no watermark on this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.